I'm sick of recording my intro video again and again. Hey there, this is Aditya back with another video. Hi, we finally meet after 6 years. So, hi, back on YouTube. I really hope this is the final video I'm recording for. This is gonna be the final intro video whether I like it or not. So hi, this is Aditya and today's video is about my room. I'm going to give you a room tour and I had a complete makeover of my room. It looks really cool and it is in a space themed workstation. It's customized according to me. Yeah, that's the ladder. It's going to the cot bed upstairs and where I'm sitting is the workstation. So yeah, I'm recording it using my using iPhone as a webcam on my MacBook here, and I'm basically monitoring myself to make sure the angle or something. Anyways, let's get started. So this is how my room looked before. Now I'll show you how the dismantling was done, how many days it took, and then and how it was constructed again, and the plan, everything. This process here is called grouting. So they basically removed all the wires and they dug a hole into the concrete wall or something to rewire new cables for the lights and fan, and then new socket as well. I mean, the new switchboard as well. So with the help of my sister, I found a good architect and I actually gave him my idea how it looks, how it's supposed to be there, and some Pinterest ideas as well. Then he rendered the room to me. Now you can see how the room looks below. What you're seeing now is fabrication work. So they'll basically put that grill material or the iron grill into the wall with 2 inches of support welding with several, they're like 6 to 7 here, and then they weld the ladder finally. So this is according to my plan only, and I also have a wooden cabinet coming below the ladder, so it also stays as a support, and then comes the workstation. This is where the mirror comes. This doesn't have handle. It's basically groove cut. This is a draw. These are groove cut as well. Soft closing doors. And this thing is finished as well. This is basically for visibility. This will be painted black. And with a text here, Bay 23. Added sliding doors. I'm genuinely impressed by their workmanship thanks to Team A03. And yeah, everything was organized and done very cleanly. So I'm super happy sitting in my new room. Yeah, I can't express how it feels.